Hello, everyone. Welcome to your weekly tech update, the show that explores the newest, coolest, and sometimes crazy side of tech available on the interwebs. I am your tech director, Ray McNeil. Coming up on the program today, we're busy trying to gather all of the videos of the drone shows from this year, and we're going to put them together in one big old compilation for you. I'm hoping by next week. While we wait, let's have a look back at last year's drone shows. Technology really picked up steam last year with drone shows for the 4th of July. We will have a look back at that. Happening in this week's What happens when a drone show goes bad? It's not actually as bad as you're thinking. And of course, we'll wrap up the program with this week's Moment of Joy. All that and a whole lot more coming up on today's edition of your weekly tech update. Next. We're starting off the program today not with a drone show, but something equally as fascinating and not seen in our world before. The Las Vegas skyline has been dominated by a huge animated dome billed as the world's largest video screen, dwarfing surrounding high-rise hotels after going live with a 300-foot eyeball looking down on the city. The MSG Sphere is a 580,000 square foot fully programmable LED screen that is named the Exosphere. It was illuminated for pre-launch testing during the 4th of July. The show started with a welcome message saying "Hello World," followed by fireworks and stars and stripes animations, a moon in the night sky, and an imposing Halloween pumpkin. Video showed the screen overshadowing cars, tiny in comparison on a nearby road. A similar project has been proposed for East London as well, but has hit significant delays. It seems like something like this might be a bit of a distraction when you're on the road, wouldn't you think? Built to host concert events, the Las Vegas structure will have capacity for tens of thousands of people and is reported to have cost about $2 billion to construct. It's been built by Sphere Entertainment Company in partnership with the sports powerhouse Madison Square Garden Entertainment. The Exosphere is more than a screen or a billboard, it's a living architecture, and unlike anything that exists anywhere in our world. That came from Guy Barnett. He's the Senior Vice President of Brand Strategy and Creative Development at the MSG Sphere. The exterior consists of approximately 1.2 million LED pucks. Each of these contain 48 individual LED diodes capable of displaying 256 million different colors. The Sphere will open officially on September 29th with U2 live at the Sphere. You know, I showed off the first drone swarm on TV back in Wenatchee. It was back in 2008, I think. And since then, drone swarms have started to take over the 4th of July fireworks displays and showcasing some amazing technology. Today, we are going to go all over the country and the world to show you the tech that is shaping the future of the 4th of July. We're going to start with the Macy's 4th of July fireworks show in New York City. It's so crazy that drone swarms now seem to be taking over for fireworks during the 4th of July. And they just keep breaking records, too. This 4th of July, history was made yet again. Sky Elements drone shows achieved the Guinness World Record for the largest aerial sentence formed by multi-rotor drones.
Countdown team 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First split.
Happy Independence Day. Let's go!
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
There we go.